Welcome to Microsoft's Windows XP Preview CD. This preview was designed to give you the opportunity to experience 7 of the most popular features within Windows XP, Microsoft's newest operating system. There are 3 ways for you to learn about these exciting features. You can learn to use these tools by watching the instructional demos. Simply click on any of the links towards the left of your screen and a how-to video for that item will appear. Or you can discover how Windows XP can benefit your life by clicking the thumbnails to launch day-in-the-life video scenarios, or clicking here to see an overview of Windows XP. In addition to the features that are being highlighted in this CD, you can also find more information and promotional offers by clicking on the links toward the bottom right of your screen. Inside the Next Steps section, you will have the ability to evaluate your PC with Upgrade Advisor. Visit Microsoft XP's online sweepstakes by clicking on the Sweepstakes link. And finally, in the Bonus Bits section, you'll have a chance to explore a collection of exciting bonus materials from companies such as Intel, Disney, and of course, Microsoft. Thank you for reviewing this CD. Please take a moment to click around and see what Microsoft's Windows XP has to offer you. Prepare to experience the best of the new digital age. Windows XP unlocks the power of your personal computer to give you the freedom to do what you want at home, at work, and across the Internet. Windows XP sets the new standard for easy, secure, and dependable computing. The new and simplified visual design of Windows XP makes it easy for you to start and access the tools and information you need. Just click on the Start menu and you'll easily find your most used applications and most recent documents. Find the information you need with Windows XP's advanced search capabilities. Staying in touch with friends, family, and work through email and the Internet is made simple. With Windows XP, you can do amazing things with your computer. Keep precious memories and useful digital photos under the My Pictures folder. Watch and listen to your music collection under the My Music folder. Enjoy richer and easier ways to communicate. Get on the road and benefit from wireless technology. If you need help and support, it's an easy click away. The Task menu gives you easy access to the commands you need to manage your files and accomplish your tasks more efficiently. Windows XP is available in 2 versions, Home Edition and Professional. Home Edition is geared toward benefiting home users, while Professional was designed with the business workplace in mind. Managing power while on the go is critical to protecting your data and your laptop's ability to stay up and running. Power management can be done from an easy-to-use interface. You can access the power options through your control panel and manage your portable computer's power consumption through profiles. The Power Meter tab states whether your computer is running on AC or battery power. It also shows remaining power in your battery. To warn you of low battery conditions, you can set alarm thresholds. You can enable hibernation, which turns off your monitor and hard disk, saves everything in memory on disk, and puts your computer in a zero power state. When you turn on your computer from hibernation, your desktop is restored exactly as you left it. Windows XP brings unprecedented levels of freedom to mobile computing by fully supporting wireless networking. Wireless networking is fast and easy to install. If you insert your wireless network card to your computer, Windows XP automatically detects and installs the card for you. Once you have the wireless network card installed, you can set up Windows XP to automatically detect and use a wireless network. Transitioning between multiple wireless networks is easy. Right-click the Network Connect icon in the notification area and select View Available Wireless Networks. Then choose the wireless network that you want to connect to. Remote Desktop is a built-in feature of Windows XP that allows you to connect your computer from anywhere over the Internet. To set up Windows XP Professional for Remote Desktop, open System in Control Panel. On the Remote tab, select the Allow Users to Connect Remotely to this Computer checkbox. Ensure that you have the proper permissions to connect to your computer remotely and click OK. For security, only accounts with passwords can be used to connect via Remote Desktop. To access your computer using Remote Desktop, go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, Communications, then select Remote Desktop Connection. In Computer, type a computer name or IP address. Click Connect. The computer can be a terminal server, or it can be a computer running Windows Professional or Server that has Remote Desktop enabled and for which you have Remote Desktop permissions. The Log On to Windows dialog box appears. Type your username, password, and domain if required, and then click OK. You can now access your computer as if you're sitting right in front of it, even if you're on a low bandwidth connection. Windows Messenger in Windows XP will revolutionize the way people communicate. To begin, double-click the Windows Messenger icon located on the taskbar. Next, log in to Windows Messenger using your unique .NET Passport or Hotmail username and password. You can use your existing ID, or if you don't have an ID, Windows Messenger will quickly walk you through creating one. You are now online and ready to begin instant communication. You'll see your online status located in the bottom left corner of the application window. To adjust your status, simply click the My Status icon located in the main window. A drop-down menu will appear, listing the status options available to you. Once selected, your online status will be changed, and people wanting to communicate with you will know if you are available, busy, out to lunch, and so on. Just as importantly, the online status window indicates who in your contact list is available to chat with, who is not available, and who is offline. Notification is also a key element in Windows Messenger. When someone from your contact list wishes to communicate with you, a message pops up that you can click on to accept the conversation. This notification window also appears every time someone from your contact list signs into Windows Messenger, letting you know they're available for a conversation. Simply select someone from your contact list to converse with, and immediately a messaging window appears. With Windows Messenger, you can invite multiple people to converse with you at the same time. In the message window, click Invite in the bar below the sent message. Point to Join this conversation and then click the name of the person you would like to join your conversation. A total of 5 can take part in a conversation, including you. You can have live voice conversations using Windows Messenger. If your computer has a microphone and speakers, you're set to go. To go from an IM conversation to voice, simply click on Start Talking. When you are having a voice conversation, you can adjust your speakers and microphone in the sidebar of the instant message window. To turn off your microphone so that you cannot be heard, select the Mute checkbox. Clear the Mute checkbox to turn on your microphone and talk again. Using Windows Messenger to initiate a video conversation session is easy. First, start an IM or a voice session with someone from your contacts list. Once the conversation is started, click on Start Camera. To see your picture inset in your contact's picture, select Options below the video window and make sure that Show My Video as Picture in Picture is checked. To stop sending your video image, click Options and then Stop Sending Video. You will continue to receive the other person's image, but your image will freeze in your contact's instant message window. When you're having a video conversation, you can adjust your speakers and microphone in the sidebar of the instant message window. Sharing applications and transferring files between you and your contact is possible using Windows Messenger. To send a file, simply click Send a File on the sidebar. The File Selection dialog box appears. Choose the file you wish to send to the person and select Open. The person you are having a conversation with can then choose to accept or decline downloading the file. To share a whiteboard with a contact, simply click on the Invite menu and to Start Whiteboard. The whiteboard feature allows those in conversation to share a whiteboard, simultaneously draw shapes, type text, and emphasize an item using a highlighter or the remote pointer. Sharing an application is just as easy. From the Invite menu, select To Start Application Sharing. The person you are conversing with can take control of the application you wish to share, but only after you grant them permission. With Windows Messenger, it is also possible to initiate a remote assistance session. Just click on the Invite icon and then select To Start Remote Assistance. Windows Media Player for Windows XP is a great DVD player. It enables you to view DVDs full screen with stunning quality. Chapter listings, language support, shuttle and volume controls, and a host of other features make viewing a DVD on Windows XP a must-see. Windows Media Player also makes it easy for you to take advantage of movie and video content available on the web. With advanced Windows Media Video technology, near DVD quality video from the Internet is within the reach of home or cable users. Capturing video to your computer is easier than ever with Movie Maker for Windows XP. First, connect your digital video camera to the PC. Windows XP detects that the camera is connected and asks what you would like to do. For this example, importing the video to Movie Maker is what we'll do. In Movie Maker, simply hit Record and the video is captured to your hard drive. Movie Maker will segment your footage into short clips, which will make it easy later for you to edit your movies. With your video captured, you're ready to edit and share your clips with family and friends. To edit your movies, begin by opening Movie Maker from the Start menu. If Movie Maker does not appear here, go to Start, Programs, Accessories. Once in the program, you can start editing the footage you imported from your video camera. You can also import video clips from other folders on your computer, and even digital photographs and title slides. Once you have all of your pieces assembled, you can simply drag them onto the film strip in whichever order you like. One click switches you to the timeline view, where you can add transitions, music, and voiceover to easily build your movie. The edited video can then be saved for playback. Movie Maker makes it easy to save the video, so it's small enough to be emailed, posted to a website, or transferred to a handheld PC. Once you've assembled your movie using the various clips and images you put together, it's easy to share your creation with friends and family over the Internet or through email. One of the key advantages of using Windows Movie Maker is that it uses Windows Media technology to compress your videos so that they're easier to share with others over the Internet. When you're ready for others to view your movie, you can easily send your movie via email, transfer it to a handheld device such as a Pocket PC, or even post it to a website using one of several options built into Windows XP, such as the Publish this file to the web wizard. To save your video to your hard drive, select Save Movie, then choose the format you would like to save your video in. Listening to a music CD with Windows has never been easier. Simply insert your CD into the drive and Windows XP automatically presents the list of available players on the computer. You can choose Windows Media Player for Windows XP and use it to navigate and play your CD. To find the best digital music and video on the web, simply click on the Media Guide option in Windows Media Player. Here you'll find literally thousands of great music choices by a wide range of artists and music genres. With Windows XP, we've also made it easy for you to buy the music you want online. Just select Shop for Music Online from the Task menu in folders that contain music files. And with Windows XP, it's easier than ever to find internet radio stations from all over the world. Simply click on the Radio Tuner button. Choose from the featured selection or click on Find More Stations to search by genre, keyword, or even zip code. Windows XP makes digitizing your current CD collection easy. Simply start up Windows Media Player and insert a music CD into the drive. Then select Copy from CD in Windows Media Player. The CD's contents and track information are automatically displayed. Select the tracks you wish to copy by clicking the boxes for each track. Then click the Copy Music button toward the top of the player. The file is automatically ripped into Windows Media Audio format and stored on your computer. Once you've copied your music, you can transfer it to portable devices, burn custom audio CDs, or add it to your playlist. With Windows Media Player for Windows XP, you can also manage your music files at the folder level using the new My Music folder. In the My Music folder, you can easily see all the music stored on your PC. And with support for displaying rich media information for MP3s and WMAs, Windows XP even gives you the option of customizing the look of the folders your music is stored in. Windows XP has built-in features that make it easy for you to take your music with you, either by making your own CDs with your favorite tracks or by transferring your music to portable music devices. Open the Windows Media Player and select the Copy to CD or Device button on the left-hand side of the player. Insert a blank CD into your computer CD burner. Then select the playlist you would like to burn to CD. Select the tracks from the playlist you wish to copy. Now select the Copy Music button in the top right corner of the media player. Windows XP takes it from there to create a standard audio CD that you can play in your car or home stereo. If you have one of the many digital music devices that support WMA or MP3, transferring your music to that device is just as easy. Using Windows Media Player, select the Copy to CD or Device option. Under the Music on Device drop-down dialog box, select the device you wish to copy the music to. Then by clicking the boxes you want, select the tracks you wish to copy from your playlist. Then select Copy Music. Windows XP does the rest. With Windows XP, you can customize the way you see your music with visualizations. You can even change the look of the player with custom skins. To select what visualization is playing while your track is selected, click on Now Playing in the Windows Media Player. At the bottom of the window, use the arrows to navigate the different visualizations until you find the one you like. Customizing the player's skin to match your style is just as easy. On the left-hand menu, select the Skin Chooser option. From the list displayed, select the skin you wish to view. Once a skin is selected, click the Apply Skin button at the top of the window. Your Windows Media Player will now have the new look applied to it. To download custom skins, click the More Skins button to go online and search for additional looks for your Windows Media Player. Using Windows XP to acquire your digital images is a snap. First, connect your digital camera to the computer. Choose which images you want to download to work with on your computer. Windows XP takes it from there. With a few clicks, your digital photo images are moved to your computer and kept in a default location called the My Pictures folder. The My Pictures folder offers a variety of options for viewing or managing your digital pictures. You can easily access this folder from your Start menu. In the My Pictures folder, you can also customize how you view your photos, including rotating the image, zooming in or out, or seeing thumbnail images of all the pictures side by side. You can easily view and rearrange your photos with the film strip layout. From the Pictures task menu, you can view the images as a slideshow, print your photos, or copy all of the items directly to CD. Sharing your photos online or printing them out to show friends, family, and colleagues is easier than ever with Windows XP. To print your images, select the Print Pictures from the Tasks menu. Windows XP then launches the photo printing wizard that walks you through the process of selecting the photos to print, selecting the local printer to use, and then selecting the layout you would like the photos printed as. Windows XP also offers the unique ability to print your digital photos using the Internet. From the My Pictures folder, select Order Prints Online. Windows XP then launches a wizard that steps you through selecting the photos to print, selecting the online printing company to use, the type of photo you would like printed, and paying for and shipping the photos. Publishing photos to the web or emailing them to friends is just as simple. Click the picture or document you want to publish, and then select Publish this file to the web on the Task menu. Windows XP will launch a publishing wizard that walks you through the process of posting your images to the online location of your choice. After a few simple selections, your file is posted and you can share it with anyone on the Internet. To email a photo, simply click on the Email this file link on the Task menu. Windows XP then launches a wizard asking if you want to keep the photo its original size or compress it, making it easier to email. Windows XP then passes your photo to your email program for delivery. Fast user switching in Windows XP makes it possible for you to quickly switch between users and their own custom desktop without actually logging off from the computer. To turn fast user switching on or off from your home computer, open User Accounts in Control Panel. Click on Change the way users log on or off. From there, you can select fast user switching. If you select this option, programs do not shut down when another user logs on to the computer. It means that you can log off and let another user log on without losing your place. When you log back on, your desktop looks like the way you left it before you logged off. To specify that programs shut down when users log off the computer, clear the Use Fast User Switching checkbox. Setting up a home or small business network is easy with Windows XP. The Network Setup Wizard guides you through setting up your home network, automatically configuring Internet connection sharing, file and printer sharing, Internet connection firewall, and network bridging. You can rename your computer and provide a computer description that makes sense. You can set up one computer to connect to the Internet and share that connection with all the computers in your home or small office using Internet connection sharing. Other members of your family can surf the web, check their email, and play Internet games through a single connection all at the same time. Windows XP makes it easy to share your files, printers, or Internet connections with others on your home or office network. Running the Network Setup Wizard does it all for you. To connect to a shared printer on the network, simply select the Print option on your application, for example, Microsoft Word. All of the printers are available. Simply select the one you want to use and click Print. To connect to a shared folder from the Start menu, select My Network Places. All of the shared folders are visible to you here. Shared folders can be anything from documents to music, photos, or videos. This makes it possible to listen to music or view photos stored on another computer. Sharing an internet connection is also set up automatically using the Network Setup Wizard. To turn the shared internet connection on from My Network Places, click View Network Connections, then right-click the icon under Internet Gateway and select Properties. Under the Advanced tab, you have the option of sharing your internet connection or not, and can decide if others can control the internet connection. On a network, security is a key concern, and a home or small business network is no different. The Internet Connection Firewall is enabled automatically on the computer that shares its internet connection when you run the Network Setup Wizard. To set up and configure the Internet Connection Firewall, manually open Network Connections, click the connection that you want to protect, then under the Network Tasks, click Change Settings of this connection. Use the Advanced tab to enable or disable the Internet Connection Firewall. The new Windows XP Help and Support Center is your comprehensive resource for tools and information. To access this extensive online help system, go to the Start menu and select Help and Support. Select what category of information you are looking for from the left-hand menu. Choose the searching option associated with that category. Then let Windows XP search your local hard drive, network, or online resources for what you're looking for. This feature is available in every folder or anytime you use Internet Explorer 6.0, which is included with Windows XP. Windows XP has a number of support tools designed with rock-solid reliability in mind. Two key features are Windows Update and System Restore. Windows Update is accessed through the Help and Support icon on the Start menu. Windows Update keeps your system operating at peak performance by going online to check for the latest device drivers, security patches, and software updates. Windows XP has so many features that Microsoft has created a way of keeping up to date on the tips, tricks, and best practices for your computer. Accessed through the Help and Support menu, Did You Know articles are updated regularly and posted here for your review. Using remote assistance in Windows XP, a distant friend can connect to your computer and walk you through your solution. From the Help and Support menu, choose Invite a friend to connect to your computer with remote assistance. By following the easy steps in remote assistance, you can use Windows Messenger service or an email message to invite a friend to connect to your computer. After he or she is connected, your friend will be able to view your computer screen and chat with you in real time about what you both see. With your permission, your assistant can even use his or her mouse and keyboard to work directly with your computer. System Restore is a component of Windows XP Professional that you can use to restore your computer to a previous state if a problem occurs without losing your personal data files. System Restore monitors changes to the system and automatically creates easily identified restore points. These restore points allow you to revert to a previous state in which everything on your computer was working properly. These restore points are created daily and at the time of a significant system event, such as when an application or a driver is installed. You can also create and name your own restore point at any time.
Hi, I'm John Smith. I'm about to show you how you can enhance your computing experience using the mobility and communications tools built into Windows XP. Let's meet Chris, a novel writer who is traveling to do some research work. Chris is at a business center at the local airport waiting to catch a flight. He's about to have a text conversation with Rob, his publisher, through Windows Messenger.
Rob, old buddy, where are you? Good, he's online. Hey, Rob, you there? I'll get it to you shortly. I'm wireless and can access my office desktop from here.
Chris needs to access a document on his office computer 32 miles away. Normally, this would be a big problem, but there are a couple of things here in Chris's favor. First, because Chris has a wireless networking card in his laptop, he has direct access to the internet here at the business center. And second, because Chris is running Windows XP Professional, he can use a feature called Remote Desktop at his fingertips. It allows Chris to actually take control of his office computer as if he was sitting right in front of it. All Chris has to do now is copy the document file to his laptop, and he's ready to send it to his publisher.
Tracy?
Hi, Dad. I thought you were on a plane.
Not yet. Still waiting for my flight. How did the volleyball tryout go?
I'm in.
Excellent.
Look, I'm so excited. See my new jersey? It's even got my name on it.
Fabulous.
Look, I gotta go to Josh's, so I'll see you when you get back, okay?
All right, Princess. See you soon.
Chris is now on an airplane, winging his way towards home. He's just finishing up a little work on the plane, and now he's thinking it might be cool to catch up on one of the latest movies on DVD.
Hey, I see you brought your own DVDs.
Yeah, just a few.
I take it you have a portable DVD player.
No, just my trusty laptop. It has a DVD drive, and Windows XP does the rest.
When a suitable third-party DVD decoder is installed on your PC, Windows XP becomes a phenomenal DVD player. For instance, when Chris loads a DVD, it is automatically recognized as a DVD. Chris has all the opening choices available to him, just as if he were watching on a home DVD player.
Excuse me, would you mind if I watch the movie with you? I just love action films.
Sure, no problem.
Could you make the picture bigger, please?
Sure, I can make it a full screen. How's that?
Oh, much better.
Good.
Do you have any fight scenes? I just love fight scenes. Reminds me of my ex-husband. He was such a rogue, but an...
Hi, I'm John Smith. What you're about to experience are the almost limitless possibilities for digital media with Windows XP. Our scene opens on Andy, a high school teenager who knows what digital media can do for him. He's really tight. I think that's the word. Anyway, skateboarding videos are hugely popular, and Andy wants to try his hand at making his own. He's using a small digital video camera, and, well, now he's the director.
What I want you to do is a heel flip into a 180. All right, man? Yeah. All right, let's do it. Oh, that is awesome. Hey, are you done editing this yet? Almost. Don't rush me, man. Hey, what about music? Oh, trust me. We got the new cut. Let's put it as our soundtrack. Oh, let's check this out.
We need some help with that.
Now that Andy has the next Film Festival Award winner on his hands, it's time to share it with those people who really should see it. Directors, producers, and his grandparents.
But come on, we gotta bounce. Hang on, man. I want to email this to my grandpa. I'm trying to get him into technology.
Music. One of the world's universal languages. We're going to show you how you can make music an integrated part of your computing experience using Windows Media Player for Windows XP. Our example opens with Tracy and her sister Jennifer, modern teenagers full of zest and curiosity, and they happen to love music. Music perhaps not to my taste, but then it takes all kinds.
What are you doing? Nothing. I didn't hurt your stuff.
Whatever. Guess what? I got the new Scapegoat Wax CD.
Get out of here.
Nope, I picked it up on my way home from school. It absolutely rocks. I gotta rip this to my PC.
All right, let's do it.
I'm gonna work on my playlist while it's ripping.
What's a playlist?
It's like a custom mix of all your favorite songs. You can even make a CD with songs from different artists.
Really?
See, I'm gonna add a couple of the songs from my new CD. I can just drag and drop the cuts I want onto my playlist, and we're set.
So who taught you all this stuff?
Our big brother, the techno skater geek.
Andy? No way.
Yep, and he showed me how to burn my playlist onto his CD so I can listen to my mix in the car.
Sweet.
And then I'm gonna download the same playlist onto my portable so I can take it anywhere.
That's so cool. I want one.
First, you need to get a job.
Shut up. Whatever.
And Tracy and Jennifer lived happily ever after. Now, if only they'd listened to some real music. Beethoven comes to mind. Grieg's Concerto in A minor, Schumann's Concerto in B, Handel's What? They say a picture is like 1,000 words. How true that is. Let's meet Joan, a connected mom who also happens to be a keen businesswoman. She's using the features in Windows XP to build her family tree on the web.
Hey, Mom, what you doing?
Oh, hi, Trace. I'm just working on a tree.
A tree?
Family tree. I'm downloading the digital pictures from last weekend's family gathering so I can add it to the website we started in the MSN community.
Cool, so we can email pictures to family and friends and stuff, right?
Yep. In fact, I was thinking of sending a couple of these to your dad so he can have them on his laptop. We'll just attach the picture files to the email and send it off.
Awesome. How about prints?
Easy. There's a printing wizard that gives me the option to have professional prints made and sent to us in the mail. Or there's a print template for local printing that allows me to print pictures in any of the standard formats. I love this feature.
All right, Mom. What picture did you use of me for the family tree? Can I see?
Sure, I used the one of you from last year at school. You're so cute.
Mom, you can't use that. I look all frumpled up and stuff.
So there you have it. Working with digital media with Windows XP. Fast, simple, easy, and it has the capability to change your life. Now, maybe I should change mine. I could become a tight skater, or maybe I could learn to love hip-hop, or I could become a wedding... Our scene opens on a typical college dorm room at the beginning of the semester. Freshmen Mike and Jake have just finished moving into their new semester-by-semester home. Jake is the more computer literate of the two, and even though Mike is more of a sports chap, he seems to be learning fast.
Hey man, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just configuring our room network here so we can share printer, internet connection, files, things like that. Plus, we'll be able to play some pretty cool games if we're not too busy studying.
Sweet. I didn't know we could do that.
Oh yeah, I'm using Windows XP's home networking capabilities here to set it all up. This wizard makes it so easy. So easy even you could probably do it. Stick around, you might learn something.
What are you talking about? I know all about computers. Man, I wrote the book on computers. Just because you're studying them doesn't mean I don't know anything. Hey, Jake!
What's up?
My printer's run out of ink. Can I just hook up your printer to my computer?
Man, it's already there. Don't you remember this morning when I set up our network so we could share things?
Oh yeah, how do I get to it?
All right, just click on the printer icon in the control panel. And then click on My Printer and you should be good to go.
That is so cool. Hey, you remember those games you said that we could play?
Yeah.
You too busy studying?
No.
Me neither.
Let's go.
You ready?
Bring it on.
School's in session.
Let's meet Jake's uncle, Joe. Joe comes to the computing game a little later in life, but with Jake's help, he's keeping up pretty well. But like all of us, he can get frustrated when seemingly simple problems seem to arise with his computing experience. He's working on a list of winter activities for his horse club members, and he seems to be having a bit of a problem. He's calling his nephew Jake once again for some assistance.
Jake, Uncle Joe here. How are you?
Great.
Jake, I know this will come as a surprise, but I'm having a little trouble with my computer. Doesn't seem to want to print. Can you tell me what's wrong?
Here's what we'll do. Are you online right now?
Yeah, but what's that got to do with printing?
Stay with me here, Uncle Joe. You remember the last time I helped you with a remote assistance session? Let's do another one of those.
Okay. I sure hope you know what you're doing.
No worries. Just send me a request and we'll be off and running. Alright, let's take a look at this error message. Uncle Joe, I hate to ask this, but did you check the cables going to the printer? And it is turned on, right?
Well, of course it's turned on, but let me check that cable. Well, Jake, all that college learning is working. The cable was unplugged. Probably the cat.
What if you could go back in time, undo something in your life, and get a second chance? Well, I'm about to show you an example of how you can, at least as far as your computer is concerned. Our college boy Mike has decided he knows enough about computing to delete some files from his hard drive. Now, I've done that myself, and I must admit, sometimes I'm not entirely sure that the files I'm deleting aren't doing something important.
Jake, I need help.
Man, you always need help. What's up?
My computer keeps giving me this weird error message.
Well, did you change anything since you last used it?
No. Well, actually, I just got finished deleting some files to free up some hard disk space, but that couldn't do any harm.
Well, according to this, you may have deleted some key files, but no worries. Check this out. This is cool. This is called System Restore. This will allow us to reset your computer back to a time before you started deleting files.
Nice. Like going back in time.
Sort of. Now all you have to do is reboot your computer, and you'll be back to the configuration you were at a week ago.
You the man. Hey, how about helping me with my calculus?
Sorry. There's just some things a man has to figure out for himself. Besides, I'm late for my bowling class, and you know how I get when I'm late.
Come on, man. It's just bowling.
Speaking of time, I myself must pop off, but I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at how easy it is to network your PCs, restore your system to an earlier, friendlier time, and to help your fellow man with remote assistance by using Windows XP. Well, ta-ta, off I go, and oh, enjoy the experience.
Windows XP Professional is a revolution in mobile computing, designed to make remote working simple, synchronized, and secure. Now you can experience the productivity of the office everywhere you go. Make your laptop a powerful performance ally, always ready to work when you are. Windows XP offers breakthrough power management and plug-and-play support. Dock and undock your laptop without changing hardware configuration or rebooting. Windows XP optimizes your battery life to maximize the time you can work. Hibernate and Standby allow you to conserve battery power while giving you access to your applications and documents on demand. ClearType technology improves screen readability, making long work sessions easy on the eyes. Access your PC applications and data from anywhere with Remote Desktop. Use your Windows XP Professional computer over virtually any network connection, from any machine running Windows 95 or later. Connect remotely to your business applications, even over a dial-up connection. Freedom to roam. Windows XP offers built-in support for wireless networking. Get a secure, high-speed connection without the hassle of wires. Detect wireless networks within range and automatically configure your system. On the road, access wireless networks from airports, coffee shops, hotels, and customer sites. At the office, jump from meeting to meeting without losing your network connection. At home, network your personal computers without rewiring. Windows XP ensures you always have the latest versions of your documents with you. Work on network-based files even when you're not connected to the network. Identify critical web pages and they'll always be available, even when you're offline. When you reconnect, all changes are replicated back to the network. This ensures that the latest versions are always available. Windows XP Professional lets you work from anywhere. Windows XP transforms your PC into an integrated communications center. Communicate and share with coworkers, partners, and customers using instant messaging, voice, and video conversation. Introducing the communications experience that puts you in control. Windows Messenger provides a unified set of rich communications options, as innovative as it is easy to use. With presence-based communications, you can see instantly who's online and available. Control when others can contact you. Set your status to let others know when you're not available. Start with instant messaging and add voice or video with a single mouse click. Online collaboration features let you work with others across the room or across the ocean. Windows XP makes voice and video conferencing more engaging than ever. Get instant FaceTime. See who you're talking to with real-time video conferencing. Your voice comes through loud and clear with superb sound quality. No need for a headset. Your PC microphone and speakers work just like a speakerphone. Exciting new solutions on Windows Messenger enable you to do more. Windows XP with Windows Messenger supports industry-standard protocols, promoting interoperability and continuous innovation. Windows XP redefines the way you communicate. Windows XP makes it easy to create and show your own home movies, or watch your favorite Hollywood fare on DVD. You can even download all kinds of streaming video and movies from the internet. Invite some friends over. You are the show. All you need is a video camera and Windows Movie Maker for Windows XP. You won't believe how easy it is to create home movies on your PC. Easily transfer video from any camcorder or VCR to your computer. Edit and rearrange video footage. Get rid of the clips you don't want and keep only the best shots. Add a soundtrack, narration, and even digital photos in a few easy steps. Worldwide distribution? No problem. Share movies with friends and family. Simply post to the web or send an email. Burn movies to CD for storage or sharing. Transfer your video creations onto a Pocket PC using Windows Media Player. Get comfortable in your own private screening room. Windows Media Player for Windows XP turns your PC into a full-fledged DVD player. Get an enhanced viewing experience. View box art, chapter titles, and rich media information. Innovative full-screen controls give you total control of your playback experience. Movies, music videos, news, sports, all available all the time. A high-bandwidth internet connection lets you download or stream near DVD quality video. There's an unbelievable amount of great content out there to be discovered, from full-length movies to global news. Windows XP turns your PC into a movie studio, screening room, and internet video resource, a new universe of entertainment. Windows Media Player for Windows XP transforms your PC into a digital music studio. It's a jukebox, radio, DJ booth, and sound system. Everything you need in one simple tool. Get inside the music. You are the DJ. You are what you play. Windows Media Player for Windows XP puts you in complete control of your digital music. Rip CDs to your PC. Just the click of a button compresses and stores them on your computer. Automatically download album art, track names, and media information. View discographies and reviews of your favorite artist's work. Remember mixing cassette tapes? Now make quality digital mixes in seconds. Organize songs and create playlists any way you please, by mood, favorite artists, and much more. Experience more than 25 new visual effects that pulse and groove to your live music. Customize the look of your Windows Media Player for Windows XP with skins. Windows XP makes it easy to explore all the possibilities of digital music. Discover amazing new music from around the globe. Download free music from major artists on windowsmedia.com. Listen to internet radio and choose from thousands of international stations. Find and play the music you like. MSN Music makes it easy. Your music tastes are unique. Everything about your collection says My Music. The My Music folder is the final destination for all your digital music. When you rip a CD with Windows Media Player, the album's art is automatically downloaded. Organize your music your way, by artist, title, year. The choice is yours. Burn your own audio CDs and make a greatest hits soundtrack for everyday life. It's easy to create your own personal compilations from your library of WMAs and MP3s. Built-in high-performance CD burning is faster than ever before. It's a beautiful day. Go outside. Take your tunes with you. Send music from your PC to one of the many popular portable devices supported by Windows Media Player for Windows XP. The digital music experience for Windows XP puts you in control. Windows XP helps you acquire, store, organize, and share your finest moments. Whether you shoot with a digital camera or scan your photos, keep the good times close at hand. Just plug in and go. Transfer photos directly from your camera or scanner in seconds. The Scanner and Camera Wizard makes it easy to manage your photos. It allows you to manipulate pictures, name them, even post them on the internet for easy sharing with friends and family. Copy pictures automatically to your My Pictures folder. Pull up a chair. You're just a click away from memory lane. Easily organize your digital pictures with thumbnail images. The new film strip layout makes it easy to view and organize your photos the way that's best for you. View your pictures as a slideshow right on your desktop with a single click. Even use your slideshow as a custom screensaver. Share your life's highlights with friends and family. Optimize your photos so you can email them quickly and easily. Burn whole albums worth of photos to CD for the ultimate personalized gift. Print your images at home. Choose from a variety of time-saving layouts. Post images to a website to share with the whole world. Order prints online from professional photo processors. Share the excitement of the digital age with your whole family. Transform your house into a fully networked home without installing any new wires. Windows XP makes it easy to set up a home network, so you have quick access to all your shared business and entertainment resources: internet, printer, music, movies, documents, games. Get ready to share a whole new world of possibilities. Windows XP makes setting up a home network a simple step-by-step process. Windows XP will guide you through the process of configuring your network. Network your house using your existing phone lines or even wireless networking equipment. Easily set up an internet firewall to protect your home network from hackers and fraud. Your Windows XP machines will be configured to share files, printers, and the internet automatically. No more fighting over phone lines. Everyone has access all the time. Share one internet connection with multiple computers. The whole family can be online at the same time. Need the phone? Disconnect your dial-up connection, make a call, and easily reconnect. Use your home network to explore and share the new realm of digital entertainment. Play digital media files anywhere in your house, home movies, music, and digital photos. Connect up and play games with other members of your family or find foes on the internet. Turn any PC into an internet telephone and stay in touch with loved ones anywhere in the world. Work where you're most comfortable. Windows XP makes wireless networking easy. Connect from the family room, kitchen, or deck without adding new wires to your home. Roam securely between wireless networks from your house to the office to the coffee shop. Connect to the world of Windows XP. Network your home PCs simply, reliably, and securely. The Windows XP Help and Support Center delivers a dynamic, easy-to-use resource with a vast reserve of valuable content. The intuitive, useful tools and utilities will make your computing experience more productive and trouble-free than ever before. New support services and tools help you find all the information you want. Navigate the rich, intuitive table of contents. Find out about exciting new features. Avoid potential compatibility pitfalls. Learn more about installed hardware and software components. Help and Support provides a number of ways to find exactly what you need. Conduct searches across local and internet-based content. Peruse an index. Sometimes direct assistance is the most immediate way to solve a computer conundrum. With an online connection, you may have many peer-to-peer options in one easy-to-find location. Invite a tech-savvy friend or support professional to help you from across the room or across the country. Send an electronic invitation. And give your helper remote control of your computer to help you walk through a tech issue. Getting the help you need has never been easier. The Help and Support Center offers a wealth of scenario-focused solutions to make your Windows XP computing environment more intelligent, responsive, and efficient. Windows XP Home Edition is the next-generation operating system. Designed exclusively for the home user, it gives you the freedom to experience more than you ever thought possible. Now you can unlock the full potential of your home computer, simply, reliably, and securely. All the excitement of the digital age is here, at your fingertips. Unprecedented dependability. Windows XP offers a new level of reliability, a rock-solid foundation you can count on. Get the most out of your computing experience. Windows XP lets you run multiple programs at the same time without missing a beat. Protect your privacy. Advanced security technologies give you ultimate peace of mind while you're sharing your computer or surfing the web. His and hers and everyone's, all in one PC. Every member of your family can create a unique user environment that suits their individual style. Switch between users quickly without having to close Windows XP Professional is designed for businesses of all sizes and individuals who demand the most from their computing experience. Welcome to the new standard for secure, reliable performance. Unprecedented dependability. Windows XP offers a new level of reliability, a rock-solid foundation you can count on. Demand more from your computing experience. Run multiple applications at once without sacrificing performance, so you spend your time working instead of waiting. Protect your information. Windows XP offers the security and privacy that you need to give you peace of mind. Start with a fresh slate. Experience the simplified visual design of Windows XP Professional. Keep everything important close at hand. Get fast access to internet and email. Your most used applications are always available. Access key system areas with a click. Organize your documents your way. Find it fast with advanced search capabilities. Group and view documents in a way that makes sense to you. Focus on the task at hand. Quick access to common file and folder management commands. Easily share files and folders on the web or over email. Archive your data with integrated CD burning. Make your laptop a powerful performance ally. Windows XP extends laptop capabilities at home and on the road, revolutionizing the way remote users work with their PCs. Get the support you need whenever you need it. Windows XP is designed to prevent problems, but if you do encounter an obstacle, Windows XP gives you tools that enable you to help yourself. It even allows you to invite an expert to connect to your PC and remotely assist you. Stay in touch everywhere you go. Easily communicate with colleagues, friends, and family via instant messaging or voice and video conferencing. You can even collaborate remotely with application sharing. Get ready to experience the most
Shrek.
Shrek.
The biggest box office hit of the year is getting even bigger on VHS and DVD.
Thank you very much. I'm here till Thursday.
With a brand new extended ending that picks up where the movie left off and continues the party. This double disc DVD contains more than 11 hours of programming.
Me! Oh, pick me!
Including music videos from the hit songs in the movie. Hilarious outtakes, insider information on the making of this groundbreaking animation hit, and exclusive behind-the-scenes interviews with Fiona, Donkey, and Shrek.
I do all my own stunts. I broke every bone in my body.
The DVD also features super cool games, including Ask the Magic Mirror.
Magic Mirror, will I get new shoes?
Yes! I mean, no.
Adding to the excitement of this Shrektacular release, each VHS and DVD will feature an instant win game card.
Yeah, you're gonna love it.
Offering ultra cool Shrek'd out prizes. Every card is a winner. Remember, on November 2nd, you can own Shrek with an all-new ending and lots of exciting extras.
Yeah!
Shrek on VHS and on DVD will be available in stores on November 2nd.
Lions and tigers and bears, oh my! Hey, what would you do to build the world's coolest zoo? Don't hold back. Release your inner animal. With Microsoft Zoo Tycoon, the cagey new resource strategy game, you're in charge. Put in a few pens, add some animals, build attractions, sell refreshments. Hey, what are you doing? You can't put predators in with the prey. You gotta play by the rules. Build a better zoo, manage your finances, and keep your animals happy. If they're happy, your guests are happy. And if your guests are happy, well, that, my friend, is how you become a Zoo Tycoon. From Microsoft.
There's a whole new universe waiting just beyond the internet. Real people in a fantasy world. And the only gateway is through Asheron's Call, Dark Majesty. New quests will lead you beyond your imagination to fight an ancient evil with a deadly new army. Acquire a home, decorate it as you see fit, and store your treasures. Exotic new lands, twisted new monsters, an ever-evolving legion of adventurers waits just beyond the internet. Run, fight, answer the call. Asheron's Call, Dark Majesty.
What a deal! Microsoft and Bicycle, two of the biggest names in games, have joined together to bring you Bicycle card games.
I did not expect that.
Take a break with 15 of your all-time favorites. Bridge, Gin Rummy, Hearts, Spades, Solitaire, Cribbage, Old Maid, Crazy Eights. Talk about fun for the whole family.
All right.
There's nothing like playing cards to escape your busy schedule. Take a seat and play a while. Become a card shark by learning rules, tricks, and strategies. Play against soap stars or private detectives, 12 unique characters in all.
That felt good.
You want a game that gives you hours of fun? You don't have to go fish. The greatest name in cards has brought together 15 family favorites. A high bid product at a low trump price.
Trump, huh?
Come to our card table and play. Bicycle card games from Microsoft.
Microsoft Picture It Photo starts with a simple click. Open and edit your photos from your computer, the gallery, scanner, or digital camera, or pictures you have stored online at MSN Photos. Try the Mini Lab to correct tint, adjust brightness, contrast, or fix red eye with a simple click. Create great photo projects like photo greeting cards, framed photos, calendars. Get creative or get silly. Make invitations, postcards, business cards. Try adding distinctive art touches or personalize your photos. Then catalog and organize them in your gallery. Have prints made professionally. Send them to family and friends through email or share your photos on MSN Photos. Make good pictures, great pictures with Microsoft Picture It photo editing products.
Is your PC powerful enough for the new digital world? A world where you can create and customize your favorite music. Produce high-quality digital video for family and friends. Edit and organize your favorite digital photos. Communicate in new and exciting ways. and experience incredibly realistic games. To get the most from these digital opportunities, you need performance. The performance delivered by the Intel Pentium 4 processor. Mix a collection of your favorite music. With the exciting digital technologies available today, it's like being your own DJ. Whether you're burning your own CDs or jamming to music you created yourself, a Pentium 4 processor-based PC makes it fast and fun. Direct your own professional quality home video and share your creation with family and friends. With today's powerful software, it's easy to capture video or add a wide range of special effects. Thanks to the Pentium 4 processor, you'll have the power you need to quickly produce your video, then transfer it to the internet or CD. Today's PC games are richer and more realistic than ever before. Whether you're racing to your fastest time ever, battling friends over the internet, or simply enjoying your favorite 3D game at home, it takes a lot of processing power to play your best. A Pentium 4 processor-based PC delivers smoother gameplay on today's popular 3D games. So whether you're mixing your masterpiece, directing your debut, or ruling the gaming world, a Pentium 4 processor-based PC can help you get there. It's the center of your digital world.